Hey there foodies, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to getting the most out of your Uber Eats experience. Today I'm going to show you how to add vanilla gift card to your Uber Eats account using the website. Let's get started. First, open Uber Eats website from your favorite web browser. If you are not already signed in, go ahead and sign in. Once you are logged in, click on the three lines at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Wallet. This will take you to your payment methods and account balance. In Wallet section, click on Add Payment Method. Select Credit or Debit Card. You will then be prompted to enter your vanilla gift card details. Enter your vanilla gift card details including card number, expiration date, security code. Make sure to enter the information exactly as it appears on your card. Once you have filled up the details, click on Add Card or Save. If the information is correct, your vanilla gift card will be added to your payment methods. You can now see your vanilla gift card listed among your payment methods. It will be available for use on your next order. And that's it. Adding a vanilla gift card to your Uber Eats account is quick and easy. Now you can enjoy your favorite meals using your gift card balance. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating!